If you're new to trading or you're struggling to consistently win trades, Phemex has a great new feature called copy trading, where you can actually connect your Phemex account to a top trader, and then whenever they win, you win as well. Let me explain. I'm Cassius Cuvée, and I'm a top trader on Phemex. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy trade my account. I'm also going to show you the features and the benefits of it. But first, I need to say, nothing on this video is financial advice. This is for educational purposes only, just showing you how to navigate Phemex and how to copy trade a top trader. The first thing you want to do is sign into your Phemex account. If you don't already have a Phemex account, here's a link to the video that shows you how to create one using my invite code. Using the invite code will give you special bonuses, as well as being able to participate in a campaign that's running right now where you can receive up to $180 USDT back just for creating an account with my invite code. After you're logged in, all you have to do is click on futures and then click on copy trade. This will bring you to a list of top traders. I will also have a link in the description of this video that takes you right to my page. But when you scroll down, eventually you will find me. There I am, Cassius, right there. Click the heart to follow me. And then you can just click on this screen to open it up and see some of my statistics before you copy me. So this is how much money I have in my bankroll. This is just how much I started trading. This is my total ROI. This is my monthly ROI. And there's some other data down here too that shows profile and also what positions I'm in. I'm not in any currently right now. Scroll down here, get to see the profit share. This is the minimum amount of money that you would input into your copy trading account. I'm going to explain more of that later. These are all the trading pairs that can be traded. And down here is a little more analytics on what's been going on. This data will change over time as I trade more. So depending on when you're watching this video, you're going to see more data here. So now let's say you decided to copy me. All you do is click on copy, and then it'll take you to this screen. Now that you're on this screen, you're going to see what's here. None of these boxes can be checked because I've set it up so that way nothing can be adjusted. This way you're copying me one-to-one. And what that means is whatever percentage of my bankroll that I put into a trade, that same percentage of your bankroll will go into a trade. So I had about $10,000 in the account. If I trade 10%, that'd be $1,000. If I put that on one trade, that'd be 10% of my bankroll. If you only had $1,000 in your bankroll, it would take only $100. If you had $100,000 in your bankroll, it would take $10,000 and put it on that trade. Either way, it would be the same percentage of your bankroll as my trade would be in that trade. So I have about 10,000. 10% of that would be about $1,000 you could put on a trade. It'd be automatically the same for you. In here is where you determine how big of bankroll you want to put in. The minimum is $99. You could put in, say, $1,000. None of these need to be checked. Very straightforward. You just click copy. Success. So there's Cassius. Right there, that's the trader that you're copying. And you can see here that there's $1,000 in there. The only thing you really need to know is that a percentage of your winnings goes back to the trader that you're copying. So if he's a good trader, then you just sit back on autopilot, and every time he wins, you win. Pretty much straightforward. And that's how you copy trade on Phemex. Phemex has a lot of other cool features. I'm going to go into them on other videos. There's grid bot trading. There's other leverage trading strategies that I will go over on my channel as well. But for now, just follow and subscribe. And make sure you share this video for anyone else who wants to learn how to copy trade on Phemex.